Now, recently I went for a 3-week vacation at our family's summer house. It was an okay experience, except I had no internet or robotics or video games most of the time. But we did find a whole shit ton of cats. One of them was Whiskers, Ginger, Fumblebutt, and Milky. Creative names, I know. I loved all of them, especially Milky, to be honest, and it took a few seconds for my entire emotional capacity to completely rely on them. And now that we've left and we're unable to take them with us, my psychological state is deteriorating at 4 times the regular speed. So, what better way to replace them than with what may be the most annoying robot I've made on this channel. Now, as I've said, I've played with cats before, a whole lot, and from what I know, all cats do is sleep, 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 eat, sleep, find your most comfortable position, or chair, or whatever, and take it and judge you, sleep, sleep, and push things, and also bite them, and then sleep. So that won't be particularly hard to put on a robot, except I haven't coded anything for the past 4 weeks. Okay, so it's been a few hours, and before you ask why it took me a few hours to make such a simple script that I've kinda done very similar things to before, I'll give you a visual.
I fear no man, but that thing, it scares me.
Alright, so here's the script. I will explain what it does. So, basically, it sets a variable to a certain thing every 3 minutes. That certain thing has the highest chance of him just sitting there and sleeping like all cats do. But it can also do other things. One of its mode is where real cats bite shit. In that mode, it just finds something, starts backing up and then hitting it and backing up and then hitting it, all that kind of jazz. There's other modes where he just spins around like a retard, and the mode where he pushes everything off, and of course, who could forget the first mode that I added is where he just roams around for no reason, trying to find absolutely nothing. Number 567. Dumb piss baby cat over here. I changed the script a little bit, so he should do everything if I'm not bad at coding, but I am bad at coding, so I'm just gonna pray that it works. There's 6 modes it can do, and I'll tell you about them when they come along. And yes, this project is, this is the mode where it just roams around. Now it's gonna spin, yep, for like 4 seconds. Motherfucker. Fuck no. You bitch bastard. Is this what keeping a cat is like? Probably is, yeah. Ow. Alright. Now I'm gonna go to sleep, because it's in second phase now. I'm a dumbass. It's in the phase where it spins around like a dumbass. I've seen cats do this. I don't know if they do it outside of YouTube videos, but I've seen them. Who needs roller coasters? Am I right? Isn't this the most I went to sleep. Great. What the shit? There's a... Oh! Which mode is this? So I added a mode where it goes back and forward. Okay, this is a good mode. I like this mode. This is a good mode. Good mode. Me like. No, I'm not moving my foot. You're gonna get away. Get up. Move. I said move. I don't remember adding a mode where it just walks back. I must be just so good at coding, I just code without knowing. Oh, right, okay, so this is the mode where he spins around in one direction, and then we're supposed to start spinning around in a different direction, eventually. Or maybe he's just spinning around in one location. I'm honestly not sure at this point. Oh yeah, okay, he's changing his, yeah, okay, cool. Bong, 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 bong. I think a good name for this robot would be 13 Reasons Why. You idiots, I tricked all of you. I do have a cat. Her name is Milky. She's the only one I got to keep. Look at her. She's cute. She's cuter than you. Eat my ass. Yeah, so, anyways guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and join the 1% of people who watch my channel and subscribe. That's an accurate statistic probably. Also, you can join. No, you're not gonna. Also, you can join my subreddit and follow my Twitter. Yeah, sorry for not uploading for 4 weeks. I have a very good reason why. There's no good reason. I've been playing Cookie Clicker. I've been playing a shit ton of Cookie Clicker.